subway, underground subway, petrol, gas or gasoline, both are accepted, boys. For petrol, gas or gasoline, American English. For the British English, petrol. Then sweets, you have candies, sweets, candies, queue, line, chips, French fries, film, movie, pharmacy. இது கொஞ்சம் புதுசா இருக்கு, இது டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்ல கவர் ஆகல, ப்ளீஸ் மேக் a note of it. Pharmacy, drug store. Pharmacy, drug store. Curtains, drapes. This also may be unknown to you. Curtain, drapes, drapes, drapes. Director, American English, manager. Director, manager. Director, manager. Dustbin, garbage can. Dustbin, garbage can. Garden, American English, yard. Garden, yard. Headmaster, American English, principal. Headmaster, principal. Holiday, vacation. Many students, when they write vacation for the British English holiday, they may put double C, VACC, you may put. So be conscious you are writing correct spelling when you write the answer in the examination. VACATAON, only single C. Then jumper, sweater. Jumper, British English க்கு இன்னொரு word இருக்கு, அது pull over. So pull over and jumper, they have two words for sweater in British English. Commonly in American English, sweater. Football, soccer. Motorway, highway. Motorway, highway. Highway is the American English. Postman, mailman. Post only in the mail. As here postman comes, mailman. Postman, mailman. Blocks, apartments. Blocks or flats, apartment. Receptionist, this is also maybe new. Receptionist, desk clerk. Receptionist, desk clerk. Tap, faucet. Tap, faucet. Torch, flashlight. Torch, flashlight. Sitting room, living room. Sitting room, நம்ம தமிழ்ல சொல்ல போனா ஹால் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம், அதுக்கு அமெரிக்கன் இங்கிலீஷ் லிவிங் ரூம். சிட்டிங் ரூம், லிவிங் ரூம். ஸ்லீப்பிங் போலீஸ்மேன், ஃபார் தட் அமெரிக்கன் இங்கிலீஷ் ஸ்பீட் பம்ப். Speed bump. Lash, American English, girl. lash, girl, lad, American English, boy, lad, boy, basin, basin, American English, sink, basin, sink, car park, parking lot, car park, parking lot. Then candy, floss, American English, cotton candy, chairman, American English, president. Then this exercise, we saw some extra words are also given here. This classification distinguishes you the spelling difference between British English and American English. British English center, it ends with RE. American English, it ends with ER. That is a formula. In the British English, if it ends with RE, in American English, it ends with ER. Then similar way, theater, theater, realize. So yes makes the difference. In the place of yes, in American English, Z should come. Then catalog, you can see to it program. In American English, one M and E should not come. Program. Traveled in American English, single L. Neighbor. In American English, U should not come. Gray. In American English, in the place of E, A should come. Plow, PLOW. Practice. Here it should come C. Practice. The same thing. Then check, CHECK. நம்ம ஏற்கனவே பார்த்திருக்கோம். One more in this slide also you have some more words: color, honor, favorite, analyze, criticize, memorize, enrollment. Look at here in the last part, American British. பிரிட்டிஷ்ல எப்பவுமே டபுள் கான்சனன்ட் லெட்டர்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது அமெரிக்கன் இதுக்கு எப்பவுமே சிங்கிளா யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. எதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் டபுளா இருக்கோ அப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஆனா பிரிட்டிஷ் இங்கிலீஷ்ல எதெல்லாம் வந்து சிங்கிள் கான்சனன்ட்ல இருக்கோ, என்ரோல்மெண்ட், அதை அமெரிக்கன்ல டபுள் எல் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. அவங்க எப்பவுமே ஆப்போசிட்டா இருப்பாங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க நீங்க. டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? the last one கொஞ்சம் நல்லா பாத்துக்கங்க. It's a very important one. Drought, pyjams, plow, program, tire, etc. So இதெல்லாம் நம்ம ஓரளவுக்கு பார்த்ததுதான். Okay, I think this is more than enough. Translate this sentence. First 3 lines they have given British English, then that was changed into American English. Certain words only, not all the words. I was waiting in queue for the loo before getting some petrol for my lorry when I realized I left the hob on and the aubergines were probably burning. Right. I was waiting in line for the bathroom. Restroom also you can use, both are accepted. Before getting some gas, so for petrol gas for my truck when I realized I left the stove. Hob means here in American English stove on, and the aubergines, brinjal, eggplant, was probably burning. This exercise. Okay. American English, British English we have seen thoroughly. with the examples, a big list of American and British English we have seen. Here comes subject verb agreement. So if there is no agreement among the human beings, there will be tragedy, there will be difference of opinion. So all the unexpected things will happen. So agreement should be there everywhere, including grammar also. In a sentence,